All right, hey guys. So, sorry the lights are kind of bad right now. We came through this made a hole in this little wall. There's a king stud, there's no jack stud right there. So we're gonna have to fix that. And that's on this problem right here. Okay. So I'll take you upstairs and show you the one-time destruction up here. So, fiberglass, actually looks like it's still in pretty good shape. We may leave that. And lots of open walls now. Lots of debris. Here, upstairs view of the dining room. Okay, so back here, we found this. This is going to be upside down, sorry about that, but this balsa wool. And found out this was really nice stuff back in, 1930 to 1950. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a very high R value. So we're probably going to end up pulling that. Because we got to bring this up to, well, we want to bring this up to code, that's why. But, yeah, that was kind of cool. And it's still in good shape. But most of the recommendations said put it in either the foam board or do spray foam insulation, one of the two. So, although if we were going to replace it all, we'd have to get back behind this. And we've decided that this is going to stay because that's a whole lot of effort to remove these. And they're kind of cool. So, mostly upstairs is done. Just have a couple little sections left to do. And then we'll finish the downstairs, and then we can call the electrician back. So, yeah, we're getting there. I think that's it for today. I don't know if I had anything to really... we haven't found a whole lot of water damage, which is really cool. So that's really good. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Okay, so make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you know somebody that would like these videos, please share them. Okay, so when all else fails, you can always use the concrete bags, or I guess in this case, masonry cement, for your wall insulation. Yeah. We are finding all sorts of fun and interesting things in these walls. Found this, this today. I don't know how well you can see that. But these are 15 cent, 3 cent. I think the other one might be 15, but I'm not entirely certain. It's hard to read since it's so damaged. Old stamps. Kind of cool. So, I'm not going to keep them, but I thought that was kind of interesting. And of course, the tile board. Yeah, all this stuff was in the walls. And the other thing I wanted to note here, here's our lovely, yeah, I haven't even picked that up yet. Okay, if you see this type of stuff on your walls, that is pretty much mouse and bug activity, and I'm talking about this kind of stuff right here. So if you see that stuff, that's mouse and bug activity. And I still have not run into anything living, which is really good. So, I will continue working and finding more interesting things to show you. Okay guys, so we pretty much got this room almost completely demoed. By the way, we put those up there ourselves and they're just sitting there. The cardboard and bags of concrete mix are out of the wall. So this room is pretty much done. Started on this one, we found, he found drywall over this hole in the wall. It seems we're running into that a lot where they just covered up holes and stuff. So, not much more in this room today. This should be the last room though, so we're real close to it. I've still got to get this wall out back here in the bathroom. And let's see here. Almost done with the kitchen. That thing's taking a while to dismantle, but it's coming along. You can see underneath the stairs there. So I just have this wall back here to go, and then I just gotta finish ripping that out. And we haven't started on this wall back here yet because the door, you probably can't see it. Anyways, that other back door is right behind this wall, and it doesn't seal all the way. It's got like a 2-inch gap. So to try to stay a little bit warmer, we haven't done this wall yet. All right, and yeah, I think that's it for today. So it's coming along. We just got a little bit more we gotta do. Maybe another day or two. Okay, so please hit the like. Yeah, I can talk really. Please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification. We've got Patreon, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. And I guess that's it for today. We got a winter storm moving in, so we're going to pack up and head on out. All right, have a good one.